Beautonic life. Today I am going to show you how to make keto creamy broccoli soup. This soup is loaded with fresh broccoli. It has a velvety richness and it tastes absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Okay, so I have all my ingredients already prepped. Here is a fresh organic broccoli. We have chopped onion, celery, green onions, heavy cream, cheddar cheese, chicken broth, and spices. I am going to start with melting butter. Now I am adding onions, garlic, and celery. And sauté until onion is softened and translucent. I love the flavor of mixture of onion and celery. Okay, I'm adding chicken broth, seasoning with salt, fresh pepper, and thyme. Now I am bringing the soup to a boil. When our soup is bubbling, I am adding broccoli. Broccoli has tons of nutrients, and this is one of the staple keto veggies, and I love it so much. Now I am bringing the soup to a boil again. Now I am reducing heat and simmer for about 10-15 minutes or until broccoli is soft. Now broccoli are softened, so I am removing my pot from the heat. I will use immersion blender to blend our soup until broccoli are completely smooth. Now I am going to add heavy cream. And cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I am removing from the heat again. Now I am adding cheese and stirring until cheese is melted. Okay, so our soup is ready. This soup is super rich, satisfying, and has perfect texture. Now it's time for serving. Now I am topping my soup with green onion and cheese. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Please let me know below the video, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends or with anyone who is interested in ketogenic recipes. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next one.